Before I start this video, I want to give a special thanks to all of my YouTube sisters and brothers and my Instagram sisters and brothers for all of my happy birthday wishes. And I also would like to thank Lila RC, Candy Poo 1100, and Slim Shell for my birthday cards and gifts. Y'all been with me since my old channel on to this new channel. And a lot of you other ladies. Special thanks to Slim Shell's mother and her sister. Let me get this right. I'm going to shout out all the names of my YouTube sisters and my Instagram sisters and brothers that wished me a happy birthday. I got the lineup over here, so I'm going to go through this lineup and start calling out the names. Okay. First name is my girl, Sharice Hines. Second one is my girl, T. Next one is Miss Frida U. Next one is Deborah Smith, Cassandra Ward, MKB Lady, Miss Florida Chick, Pedalist Bliss, Candy Poo 1100, Sassy Eats, Black Queen _ Tiffany Rose, This Housewife, Hey Kim, Carrie _ Gonzella, Let's Talk Money, Mimi His Housewife _ Their Mother, Mimi from YouTube, Shamey _ RFI, Jack A. Cooks, Tehran 76, Aquarian Girl _ 213, Concord, sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, Concord, Harlem on Dream Team, 334 Bama Girl, Certified Philly, Swazi 34, Newsy 62, Lady Sparkle 08, Lion Lady Love, Terry Tarika, Chubbs _ 23, Ruckaval, Mindset Over Money, Tiffany _ World 76, hey Tiffany, Icon Buggy Lady, Pretty Doll Face, Alicia, who is Slim Shell's sister, Sheba Baby 42, Melissa, Red Mama 63, which is Slim Shell mom, Keisha Stone Woods, if I'm saying her name right, yeah, Keisha Stone Woods, Britty Brat _ Royalty Queen B, Lanswell, Tasha 8.2, Jones Malika, Little Most 2.0, and Lanswell Thompson. Thank all of you guys so very much for wishing me a happy birthday. I'm so sorry that I'm just getting to this now because I am so behind in videos. So I wanted to add this onto this video. So stay tuned, you guys. Love y'all. Pam's doing it again. For those who are new, welcome. And welcome back to all of my loyal subscribers. Today I have to head back to Lowe's, but guess what? My refrigerator stopped working. Yep, this is my refrigerator right here. So now I got to clean everything out of it once I get back and to look for a refrigerator that I like. I was in there getting my microwave. I was looking at refrigerators, but didn't know that I'll be returning back this soon to get one. Okay? So yeah, y'all. So that's what me and my daughter will be doing today. So stay tuned. I'm going to say goodbye to my old refrigerator. I just peeled off all the stickers that I had on there. And yeah, so the guys will be here to deliver the refrigerator in the next half an hour. So yes, so stay tuned. So they making room to bring the they taking the old refrigerator out. So while they taking the old refrigerator out, disassembling that, and the guy outside the door getting ready.
Yeah, right. Okay, go ahead, man. Thank you.
What's a load of nonsense?
Jodie's relationship with Petra.
Hello. Good to see you. These are for you.
Oh, thank you. Bring them in, Jake. Don't leave them at the door all night.
Watch your way. Okay.
Look at these lovely flowers. The
Look
boys
it up
got
on that
me.
table, right?
There's Tadra right there. You want to say hi, Tadra? She about to do her laundry, but they're in the refrigerator. I mean, they're in the kitchen assembling the refrigerator. I'll bring you guys take the handle from this side, or you can put the handle to that side. You know what I'm saying? Wow, a nice clean. So this is what it looks like. Inside. And it also has a humidity, cooling no defrost. And you can push that button and it goes to the temperature.